Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ne kesngi ulapen syai ba ke Sorkar kan Ailad benti ya Uranium ke Jylla klam da don ke jeng menjur lang na kaliang kipat ba habakrem ke non patai khubor Conrad laong ba kamat ti uranium ke dei halor ke jeng sokia na ke benta ke jeng im ke kwat ke khia jeng kipat ba bat ya ke lawai ba syadien jong ke Jylla da ke bakeno baki la bandon ke senjuk lani ki brio ki bakwa banya chakaman hinrei Conrad ulakular ba don kam ba da puli bnya ashwa hakabay day bat kajing kata jong kajing ti yaw uranium.
For us, we're very clear that without taking people into confidence, without looking at all the scientific aspects of things, we are not going to allow the uranium mining to take place in our state. We're very clear about that. It is regarding people's lives, it's regarding people's health, it's regarding the future of our state. While there may be concerns from individuals who may want this and certain sections may want to move forward in this, it has to be addressed in a very, very careful manner. And as I said, we have to take people on board. We have to be very carefully studying the impact of these things. Until then, we have to ensure that no step is taken in that direction in any way, because as I said, this is regarding the lives of the people and the future of our people.
KHASI Youth Council